Welcome to your dream home in the highly desirable Skye Canyon Master Planned Community, 9994 Chaparral Wind, Las Vegas, Nevada 89166. This stunning residence is located in a gated community built in 2018. The home offers 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, extra office space, designated dining area, 2 huge lofts, and a den with the flexibility to easily convert to 5th bedroom. This luxury kitchen, where style meets functionality. Featuring elegant granite countertops, a spacious center island, walk-in pantry, and butler area gives an abundance of counter space. An extra-large sink, double convection ovens, oversized refrigerator, and so much more. On the first floor, you will enjoy a breakfast nook, an extra office room, a designated dining area, a spacious den, an extra large laundry room with storage space and service sink. This home includes a beautifully designed mother-in-law suite, offering privacy and comfort for guests or extended family. The suite features its own spacious bedroom, complete with a walk-in closet for ample storage. With its thoughtful layout and elegant finishes, this suite provides a perfect blend of independence and luxury, making it an ideal retreat within the home. The second floor of this luxury home is a spacious and versatile retreat, featuring 2 extra-large lofts that offer endless possibilities for entertainment, relaxation, or even a home office. With a total of 3 generously sized bedrooms, each equipped with walk-in closets, you'll find ample storage space throughout the entire level. Whether it's for family, guests, or personal use, the second floor provides the perfect blend of comfort and functionality, all while maintaining the high-end finishes and thoughtful design found throughout the home. Retreat to the luxurious primary bedroom, a sanctuary of comfort and style. This spacious haven features an expansive layout, providing the perfect balance of relaxation and elegance. Step into the spa-like primary bathroom, complete with an extra-large walk-in shower, offering a rejuvenating experience. The crowning jewel is the extra-large custom-made walk-in closet. With a 3-car garage and an impressive 3,508 square feet of living space, this home offers both luxury and convenience. Every little detail went into consideration. Ceiling fans throughout the whole house, extra recessed lighting, epoxy finished floor, 2 AC units, low-profile round floor outlets, high-end shutters, low-maintenance landscaping. Enjoy the backyard oasis under the covered patio with artificial turf and low-voltage lighting. Perfect for relaxation, hosting, and entertaining. In addition to these incredible home features, the community offers a wealth of amenities: basketball courts, BBQ area, clubhouse, community pool, fitness center, gated access, parks, security, social events, pickleball courts, a large grassy field for soccer, fenced dog parks, walking trails, and even a future skate park. Don't miss this opportunity to live the ultimate luxury Vegas lifestyle. Reach out to us today to schedule a private showing. Thank you for watching. Dadon Real Estate.